So good.
It is so good. I love it.
How did you make this? It's so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's so fluffy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Inside is so fluffy. Hi guys, it is Sunday morning. I usually make some breakfast in Sunday morning and spend some family time together. This is a yogurt I made yesterday. I let it chill in the fridge overnight and it's good to go. Look at how thick it is. This is original yogurt. I didn't add any sugar in it. I want to get some thicker yogurt, so I'm gonna place the yogurt on the cheesecloth and drain the whey out. Homemade yogurt is always the best. It's super easy and it's price friendly. This liquid part is the whey. If you know whey, I don't have to mention too much about the nutrition and the benefits about the whey. It's actually really good for you. When I'm making yogurt, I usually get some whey. I never dump it. I'm gonna show you how I use the whey to make crepe and pancake. Here, we got the whey and yogurt. I used about half gallon of whole milk yesterday, made this yogurt, and I have 10-ounce honey in my hand. I'm gonna mix the honey and yogurt together. Now I'm gonna put this back into the fridge and use whey to make a pancake and a crepe. Let's make pancake batter first. Crack 1 egg. Add a cup of whey. 1/4 cup of whole milk. Sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. 3.5 teaspoon baking powder. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Now let's make the crepe butter. We need 2 large eggs, half cup of whey, half cup of whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and a cup of all-purpose flour. We want the crepe butter really smooth. Batters are done. Now let's go make the pancake and crepe. I have both of my pan on medium heat. I'm gonna spray a little bit cooking oil, 1/3 cup pancake batter in the pan. The pancake and the crepe are done. I'm gonna prepare some fruit. I got banana, strawberry, blueberry, and pomegranate. Now we're gonna fold the crepe. Put some chocolate syrup, some strawberry syrup, some maple syrup on the pancake. Add some blueberry on the top. And don't forget our yogurt. Put a a little bit powdered sugar on the top of the crepe. Our breakfast is ready to serve. And try the yogurt first?
Yeah. Tastes good. Yeah, it is
It's
so
so good.
You want a crepe or a pancake?
Crepe.
You want a crepe?
I like
She
crepe.
just took one of the strawberries.
The chocolate syrup and strawberry syrup on it.
Food scissors.
It's delicious.
I want to eat pancake now. And I also want some blueberries on it.
Want some blueberries on it?
Can I have some more cream?
No whipped cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have some whipped cream too?
Yeah.
I want mine on top of my blueberries.
Here we
I
go.
just pushed one. I'm just gonna add a blueberry at the top. Oh, it floats.
I love it.
No one sold anything.
I like it with whipped cream. Mama, I can see some strawberries over there.
Okay.
It's like so good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's so fluffy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Inside is so fluffy.
Mama, you keep eating the strawberries.
You can eat some from the plate.
Anthony, you eat the whipped cream.
No one saw anything.
Bye, have a great day.
See you next time.